Hi, hello. Welcome everyone to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video, we are not going to see what every reviewer is doing in online, like not giving honest reviews and just reading out this marketing page. But in our video, we are going to discuss important points to consider before purchasing this PLR. So without any delay, let's get started. What is meant by PLR? Here is an answer. So by looking into the definition, we came to know that PLR is buying the rights so that we can modify and claim ownership of that material, so that we can use to resell, so rewrite them to post on our blogs, so we can also sell on those Amazon or ebook sites. So it's all about claiming the ownership of that PLR, like private label rights. So here is the answer for that PLR. So there is more option to use this PLR product, and also for PLR to say this is the best one, we need some qualities to look after. So what are they? So that is the important question. So what are the qualities PLR need in order to make profit or use them, or we have to resell for our advantage? So first of all, it should be highly converting, means which will engage our audience in order to bring an outcome we want from them. So what is that PLR? Should have best and in-demand content that our audience need, and also that should be from the broader niche, which is commonly should target larger number of audience. Yeah, that's right. In our modern world, there will be a biggest demand for self-help industries. Also, it is a $1 billion worth niche in today's world. So let's look into the Google. So I will show that here it estimated $10 billion and counting, and also it will be worth $13 million in 2022. So we are currently in 2022. So these are the data I am presenting in front of you. So as of now, this PLR is 100% from self-help industries, which is Break Your Limits. So this is an in-demand content that people are searching online every day and night. So if our PLR is from the self-help niche, then it is a most welcomed one among the people who are striving to get the best out of themselves. So if you have those kind of self-help PLR in your basket, then imagine how it will boost your conversions rate. So okay, the question arises in your mind is, okay, there are n number of self-help PLR is available in online, so why will I have to choose this one particularly, which is Break Your Limits? So the answer is because it covers almost all the topics across all the self-help book till date. Yes, it covers almost all the topics. You don't have to buy more books in order to find the truth behind our self-limiting belief, and which we living by currently. So there are n number of self-help books available in online, so you don't need to buy and purchase every single one in order to get the knowledge of limiting belief which you have currently. So you get all those things in one PLR. So you get, so these are the covers the topic which Break Your Limits covers all the in-demand topics, such as, so there are the things you can read by yourself. So I will read some of those. So there are 3 sneaky factors that can block your potential. So more number of things they have clearly mentioned in this Break Your Limits PLR. So there is no need to search over online for hours. These are the topics they have mentioned in this sales page, and which means these are the topics they covered in the Break Your Limits PLR. So these are the things. So there is the 4 reasons why you should have to buy this PLR. Yes, the 4 reasons are top quality information, passion driven content. Already I shown you hottest topic in the biggest niche. So this is the in demand topic in self-help community. So these are the thing you have to consider before buying any PLR for your audience. And so reason number 4 is we commit to 100%. So we also need to look who is the one selling this one, because after purchase we need some after sale support. If we are not convinced on this product, we have some refund. So let's check it out if they are providing any refund. Yeah, what if I'm not happy with the product? Just drop us an email within 30 days with reason. So we will get a refund and we will process the refund as soon as possible. So there is no need to worry. So that's the 4th important point we have discussed before. And also, what if I didn't get any response from this sales author? No need to worry, because as a joint venture of Warrior Plus, I can help you to get your money refund. So there is no worries. You can ping me in my email. So I will be there to help you. And finally, I hope all your doubts and questions are cleared. So if you have any, comment down below. But before signing off, the interesting part is premium bonus. Yeah, that is bonus is not from this Break Your Limits. The bonus is from our House of Z Panda. Yes, the premium bonus is for those who purchase this product from the link mentioned below in the description as well as comment section. So they are the one eligible to get those premium bonus from our House of Z Panda. And this is not some useless promoters give 10 or 20 of free bonuses, which is completely useless. Here we as the House of Z Panda designs a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur or marketer or online marketer or doing 9 to 5 job or even a student. So it will be help for everyone. So that are the 5 premium bonus we are created. To know more about that, I have mentioned in the comment and description below. That's purely from the makers of House of Z Panda. So these are the bonuses you will get along with your product purchase. So these are the 5 premium one. And the question is how to avail that. Simple, just purchase these product from the link mentioned in the description as well as comment section. So who are purchasing this product from me, so they are the eligible for the premium bonus. And after purchase, just upload the receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. That's all. You will receive those premium bonus within a day. So I hope all your doubts and worries and queries or everything gets cleared. If you have any, just comment down below. And that's all for today. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.